In this video, we're going to be learning about factoring. So I'll show you guys my T-chart method to factor, and then we're going to go and practice some problems. For this problem right here, we're going to have to factor. So we're going to have to look at the last term, and we know it's going to multiply to negative 12, and it's going to add to positive 1. So with my T-chart over here, negative 12, it's going to multiply by, and it's going to add to positive 1. So from here, we're going to have to find all the factors for 12. 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. And I always go from 1 and then keep on going down. So I have to figure out which one can add to 1. So I know it's going to be this one. And so I have to know that since it's multiplying by a negative number, one of them has to be negative. And the one that's negative is this one. So it's going to be x. So this is always going to be the format. And then from here, I can just plug in the negative 3 here and positive 4 here. To actually get the x value, I actually have to set them both equal to 0. And then from here, x will equal 3, and then x will equal negative 4. Now it says, what is the value of a is the question, and it says a is greater than 0. So the answer that is greater than 0 is x equals 3, and then that will be your answer. From here, we're going to have to factor also. So I know this f of x right here is this, and I know the g of x over here is this. So we have to simplify this one. So I look at the first one, can I simplify it? Well, what they both have in common is an x, so I'm going to take an x out of both of these. So then it looks like this. But then from here, it can factor out once more. I know that this right here is called a difference of two squares. And so what it looks like now is x plus 3, x minus 3. So that's the top value. The bottom one, I can factor that out. So if I factor that out, I can make a t-chart. I know it has to multiply to negative 3. It has to add to negative 2. So it can be 1 and 3. And I know one of them has to be negative, and so it'll be negative 3. So what it looks like now is x plus 1, x minus 3. So from here, I have to figure out, hey, what cancels? I know this cancels. And so the answer would be D.